Hey guys, I got my 10-string guitar back from my Luthier, Corey College, out of Everett, Pennsylvania. What we did was stuff. He put an extra battery pack in it. So now I have 2 batteries to worry about. What a moron. And what he did was change my tone knob to a volume knob. Now I can't control my tone. And he put a light in it that's a button, so I can like press it and kill the noise. Why would I want to do that? Like, listen to this. Why would I want to ever do that? And he has a switch here still. I told him that every time I play, when I'm playing, I look at this hand. My pinky always meets the strings. It's just a habit of mine, and I always hold the pick like this. I don't know why. I know I'm supposed to be all like Meshuggah or whatever and be like, but the pinky would always hit the volume knob, which was right here. This was the volume knob. So I'd constantly always hit it, trying to go from donk to wee, donk to wee. So we made this the volume knob. Tone's always on at 100% with a higher value pot, which gives it more attack because it was too flubby, as I said before, as in flub, flub, flub instead of a chunk, chunk, chunk. So I got a kill switch in there instead. If you guys want to talk to him, I'll put something in the description maybe. He's a little like out there in the woods, but he will do your stuff. He will do custom work. He went to school for it and all. This 10-string was a challenge for him, and he wanted to do it. Like I said, I bought the 10-string because it was cheaper than buying a 9-string or a baritone 6-string at the time in 2000 past, whatever, 2016, 17, I don't remember. So I got this 10-string, and what we're going to do is do a cover of Meshuggah's Spasm, because I think that is a perfect representation of what the 10-string can do for you. So anyway, we're going to do that, and I'm going to take this tissue. I'm going to put it up in these strings because they'll make a bunch of noise. And just put it over here. Alright, perfect. Look at it. I would recommend the Lock-On Tuner. It's free by Submission Audio. No sponsorship, obviously, because I'm a fucking loser. Anyway, so I took my old cum rag here and mute all them strings because we're not going to use them. Like, I got a 10-string. This shit is hard. Playing 1 string. I got a 10-string guitar, and I'm only going to play 1.5 strings.